Alright, I got the new van, got it organized. It's not perfect yet, but we're working on it. Got the little ammo can in there, trash can, tool bag, stuff like that. I got, stuff hanging up back there, gas card and stuff. So, nothing too exciting there. Squirrel's going crazy. Alright, here's the back. Nothing on the doors yet. Nothing yet. There's a pipe rack. There's more of those bins, bag, batteries, plunger, and pry bars and stuff, gloves, buckets, trash can. More random tools hanging. There's tools everywhere. There's a toilet down there. Nothing down there yet. Just broom, garbage disposals. Tools. So lots of tools. There's the torch, gas, CSST tools. This is a hole saw kit, grinder, stuff like that. Tools, paper towels, muck boots. There's a light. There's a light over there. Here's the empty bin, impact sockets, stuff like that. Air snake. There's toilet parts here. Oh, everything's organized relatively. Get in there. There's nipples, gas fittings. All this is gas stuff. Well, there's some brass, but mostly gas, tools, appliance supply lines. There's my water heater box, drain machines, M12 and M18. There's a hydrojetter, tools, shop vac, more parts down there, PVC, faucets, hose bibs, things of that nature. Tub and shower parts. Stems. More stems. Pro press fittings. Supply lines, consumables, PEX fittings, stuff like that. Yeah. Fasteners and electrical stuff. Some of these are empty. I'm still working on it. 1.5 PVC. Fern cones. P-traps. Up here there's long stuff like the broom and level, stuff like that. A couple batteries. There's the 10-foot pipe rack. Mounted it up just like that. So you can fit 10-foot sticks of stuff in there. And it gets stuff up out of the way for, your curb key and whatnot. I don't know how I'm gonna do something over here maybe. I don't know. There's an extension cord, a tool bag, more stuff. I gotta figure out where I'm gonna put that step ladder. There's the water heater dolly. I thought about putting a water heater right here, but I might just do my mainline machine. I don't know. More consumables, tools. I was just using that little drill for hanging some of this stuff. More batteries, another pipe rack, hose hanging. So yeah, that's pretty much the new van. We do have some of these magnetic containers from Harbor Freight. Pretty handy. So it is a Ford Transit 2020. It is a 350 extended length, high roof. So there's plenty of room for activities.